Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Excel Tech and Tricks. In this video, we are going to fix Excel sorry something went wrong, could you please try that again error. Thus, if you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Before trying any advanced solutions, it is recommended to once close and reopen your Excel program to fix the error. The next solution you can try is to open Excel in safe mode. For this, open the Run dialog box using Win plus R keys. Type Excel/safe and press Enter. Microsoft Excel will now open in safe mode. Trying to save the file with a different file format may fix sorry something went wrong error. To do this, open Excel, click on the File menu. On the left panel, click on Options. In Excel Options window, under Save Workbook section, click on the Save Files in this file format drop-down. Select a supported file format. Click OK. Check if you can save your Excel file. A corrupted Microsoft Office can also lead to Excel files stuck on processing. You can fix this by repairing the Microsoft Office files. For this, close all running MS Office programs. Then, open the Control panel. Click Programs, then Programs and Features. Select Microsoft Office. Right-click it and click Change. Select between Quick Repair and Online Repair. Then, click Repair. This repair process may take some time. If you are looking for a way to fix Excel workbook corruption and recover all its data, then you can download the Excel Repair tool by clicking on the link given in the description box. This software is designed with an advanced algorithm to repair all sorts of damages, corruption, and errors in the Excel file. Therefore, just try it and see how it works. So, this is all about fixing Excel sorry something went wrong, could you please try that again error. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with other users, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos.
Thanks for watching.